I'm Dr. Ravi K, professor in Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering at IIT Jodhpur. I work in the area of additive manufacturing. We built some machines, metal additive manufacturing machine. Currently, we are making the machine into intelligent system. So for that, we need data science. So that's how I'm connected with this particular community. See, if you look at steel industries, we have so many processes, especially if you look at integrated steel plant, we have so many processes and so many parameters one need to control. We get data continuously for the year, like last 20 years, 25 years data we have. So to really optimize the process, utilize the equipment, utilize the manpower effectively and come up with the solution where you can bring down the cost, bring down the maintenance, bring down the effective utilization of manpower, that can be done with the help of data science. So we run a course on Industry 4.0 for Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. So we know there's a lot of data available every industries, and one can use all these data to really come up with the proper solution for industry. So that way it's like not only steel industry, like any industries that you talk. I work on Additive. We regularly use the data science for most of our work. If you look at this particular conferences, like we have seen already, like chief guest spoke about. He's from materials engineering, and he spoke about the role of data science. And then we also have one chief guest from industry, and the data science has we need to develop product. So making product, it's all about hardware and software. So most of the products now we have hardware and software, and the data science actually connect that point of the hardware and software. In fact, now with all digital twins, where you can continuously get the data from real-time system that you can plug in models, so that you can come up with the lot of solution, which is useful for industry also. People have now made a lot of digital twins in industries also. So, but again, academics can generate models, physical models, and they also can develop, come up with the new algorithms which would help the industries to solve their problem. Emerging trend, I would say, there is a lot of algorithm which is there, but I would say there is a requirement for we get data in different type of data. We get maybe process logs, videos and images. The storage is something which is important, compressing the data and processing the data very fast, and the algorithms which can actually make this data processing fast, which is very important, because in real-time control you will get data, but again processing data and react to the data to the controls. Means like if you have sensors and actuators should work fast, so that you can do real-time control. For that there should be a increase in this processing, and in terms of communication or compressing the data, so that one can come up with the just with data science. You're not going to, let's say now a lot of people have come with engineering with data science and computer science. It's not going to help, because your application in another engineering field, maybe engineering field, or it can be of social activity, or maybe in business. People should have the other domain knowledge also. At least you have to interact with the people from other domain. Only then you will come to know what exactly really, because you know how to solve the problem, but if you don't know what problem you have to solve. So only when you interact with the people from other domain, you will come to know that okay, this is what I am doing. It is like I'm solving this problem. Then you will get a real satisfaction of understanding. Subject is only like you are understanding, but again, understanding and learning is not until and unless it has seen that real application, then you will not feel the satisfaction. So that I think students should actually look and interact. So they should go to industry, they should go to academic places, so that they see that how this data science is being used for different applications. So I've seen in our institute we have medical technology. People use a lot of data science. People give a lot of solution for medical technology. In mechanical engineering, smart manufacturing, electrical engineering, in every department I have seen that many different applications people use data. So that way I think students should not be confined to like just from one department. There is a lot of emphasis on interdisciplinary, means interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary. There should be a lot of interaction should happen between different departments. So nowadays there is nothing called boundary. All boundaries are porous.